So, you want to know how to use an AI post generator, maybe around your personal or a company milestone? Well, let's give you something to celebrate. Watch this information and I'll show you how. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. Okay, to make FlyPosts AI come alive, all you have to do is click Start a Post here on LinkedIn. Once you do that, and you come inside of here, this will now populate FlyPosts AI right inside of your status posts. Now let's look at Celebrate Something. Celebrate Something allows you to be able to talk about a personal milestone or a milestone for somebody else. Maybe it's an employee. And so you can come inside here and edit any of the content that you so please, including the word personal inside there. Of course, anything in the parenthetical here, you want to eliminate and delete out right away so that you can put in the actual topic that you want to write about. And that's it. FlyPosts AI, the AI post generator that helps you write your thought leadership and be able to be found to engage with your target audience. Hey, why not download it today at flymsg.io. Not only will you get the AI tools like the LinkedIn commenting capability and FlyPosts, but you'll also get FlyMessage and all of its AI text expander capabilities to continue helping you save 1 hour a day.